Okay, class, so today what you're going to be doing for your recursive review is you're going to be first of all using these anchor charts to help you out with the problems on the second slide. So you have on here, the first chart is talking about expanded notation and how that's different than expanded form. So if you remember, expanded notation is using the place value and showing you how many groups of that there is. So for example, in 723, you have open parentheses 7 times 100 close parentheses because my 7 is in my hundreds place. You have 2 times 10 because my 2 is in my tens place, and then 3 times 1 because my 3 is in my ones place. When I add those 3 up, because I have 7 times 100, that would give me 700, plus 2 times 10, that would give me 20, plus 3 times 1 would give me 3. I would then add up 700 plus 20 plus 3 to get 723. So expanded notation is showing each digit multiplied by its own value. On this side, you're going to see adding with unlike denominators. You're going to use these same steps to subtract. With unlike denominators, do not forget you are going to be looking for the least common multiple. And so remember our steps to skip count and to pay attention to the boss, because that is what you're trying to find that they have in common before you can either add or subtract. Now, when we go to the second slide, we have our decimal of the day. So you're going to have to show me that in expanded notation. For this base 10 blocks here, don't forget that this equals 1 whole, okay? But now I can see that I don't have 1 whole here, so I definitely would not be moving my 1 whole over. And you can see how when I moved it over, there are more underneath, and that is placed that way for you to use in case you need it. So 97 hundredths, don't forget this is 1 whole, this is 1/10, and these down here are hundredths. Okay, so you'll have to show me in word form, expanded form, and then using the base 10 blocks, you'll have to model that for me. Here you're going to be using rounding, round each number to the nearest tenth. So it is using place value. And then this last one here is going to be a word problem, which reads, Melanie read 3/5 of the book for English class. Valerian read 9/10 of the book. How much more of the book was read by Valerian than by Melanie? So just make sure that when you are answering this, you work that out on paper and then you put your answer on here. And then once you're done, go ahead and submit that to me. If you have any questions, please remember to send me a message and ask.